Hey guys, this is a review for rocking furniture. This is the LuxCraft Adirondack 5-foot swing with flip down middle console. This came wonderfully packaged in 2 boxes. As you can see, a lot of the stuff that comes from them is already pre-assembled, so it makes assembly a breeze. All of the slats line up easily in the back because they are all pre-numbered, and you just line up the numbers and then screw in your screws. However, you do need a square bit to do that. Just like the glider that we had done before, this is a 2-person job because this is pretty heavy, and especially with that back, you got to wiggle it just a little bit as the other person is screwing it in. Once the back is done, the sides go on pretty easily, and then the chain is already there. You just have to secure it with another screw, a washer, and a nut, and it's ready to hang. Now it was time to hang it, and this was the best part for me. Throwing that old swing into the yard and getting rid of it was the best feeling. As you can see, it does sit a little high, so we did add 2 springs up top to lower it just a little bit. Overall, it's beautiful, it's comfortable, and it has completely transformed our front porch. It's perfect.